So in this video, we are going to discuss the second of a sequence of two problems that deals with this data. So we have the different departments within the state of Kansas, their operating budgets from the years 2007 to 2010. The units are in thousands of dollars rather than just dollars, right? So we'd have to multiply any of these entries by 1,000 to figure out the actual budget amount for the given year. But what we are asked to do in problem 23 here is we are asked to figure out of these options, of these other programs or these other departments, which program's ratio of its 2007 budget to its 2010 budget is closest to the human resource program's ratio of 2007 budget to 2010. So you can't really do this unless you know what the term ratio is going to refer to. And at this point, you've probably done enough math to realize that a ratio is simply a fraction. And we're doing the ratio of 2007 to 2010. So if we compute this ratio for human resource initially, since that's the one that we want to compare all these to, we're going to go to the table. We're doing, what were the years? Yeah, 2007 to 2010. So we find human resource. There's 2007. There's 2010. We divide them. Calculator's in play here, so you can fire this into the calculator to get about 0.68. So now we need to figure out, of these other departments, agriculture, natural resources, on down through choice D, which of them is going to have the closest value to 0.68. So basically all I'm doing now is I'm taking the departments that are indicated here. I'm taking this value, dividing by this value, do it on the calculator, you get 0.77. Do that for education, this value divided by this value to find their 2007 to 2010 ratio. Same thing for transportation. So that divided by that. And then the same thing for public safety. That divided by that. I've already logged all of the answers here. You really had to do all four of these calculations because it's asking which of them is closest to the ratio for human resources. None of them is exact. The one that's closest is definitely this one here for education. So we are looking at option B.